Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, enjoying your day. I've got one beef burger left over which I'm going to cook in the frying pan. I've got a panini as well, which I'm also going to cook in the frying pan just to crisp it up. Going to put some Kerrygold on it and going to be using the 4 blend of cheese as well. I've got a few eggs which I'm going to cook in the frying pan. So basically it's all going in the frying pan. And I think that's about it really. It's right. True, no jalapenos. I'll whop the burger in here, give it a bit of a fry, try and smash it down a bit. There's a burger. Find something to smash it down with. I'm just going to use a bowl to see if I can flatten this a bit more. So it kind of flattened it. Made a mess of that, haven't I? Oh well. Don't know, because it's only me that's eating it. Probably what I should have used. I've made a right old mess of this burger, haven't I? What have I done to it? Yep, only me that's going to eat it though, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Right, let's see if we can bite this chip rather around. That's not too bad at all, is it? It's a panini. So I'm going to just chuck a couple of eggs in there. There's a couple of eggs. A few crushed chilies, which I'm just going to see if I can sprinkle on. So the panini was coated in Kerrygold butter, and then obviously you'll see that as I throw it in the pan. Panini. Gonna chuck that in there as well. So the idea of this was to hopefully try and take on some of the flavours from the burgers and the butter as well, and obviously the chilies. Bit of cheese in there. Probably not the healthiest again. Eggs are fairly healthy though, aren't they? So, you know, well, apart from when they're not cooked in burger fat and butter. Right, that's that done. Eggs are done. Burger's done. Cheese looks done. Right, serve it. Get that out of there. Whoa.
Cooked within an inch of its life.
It's crispy.
And cooked proper.
Something like that. Right. So it's cooked. Cheese is melted, egg done. All of that on there. Quick and easy. Cool.
It tasted better than it looked, to be fair. It was delicious, yeah. The eggs were still a bit runny.
Oh.
And it was very
Without
nice.
burning your fingers. But look, eggs still runny. But made a bit of a mess of that, really. Right. So it's done, but made a bit of a mess of it. Egg and burger.
I was quite surprised. I would have thought the chili flakes would have made more of an impact than what they did, but there's a little bit of spice there. Thank you to everyone who's liked the videos and subscribed, and I'm just going to continue making them. So thanks everyone. Hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll catch you on the next one tomorrow.
Don't usually have a egg with a burger, but that's the first for me. And yeah, it tastes really nice. See you later, people. Catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.